This is a long way to...
So we are making the Obattu now. So you can see here, Harini is making the...
We have to give a warning that it's both of our first times making this, so if you spot any
mistakes. Yeah, that should be fine.
ignore.
Yeah, but still it looks so much like delicious. You can see here.
So the filling,
Yeah, so
this is a filling with dal, jaggery, cardamom and coconut.
Yeah.
And this is the outer cover, the dough, which is all-purpose flour and just a pinch of turmeric. You sort of envelope that in and flatten it out whichever way is convenient into thin pancake.
Yeah, you can call it a
Naan.
pancake. Naan, yeah.
Naan type.
Yeah.
And then roast it.
So here we're just frying it up. So as you can see here, there's another dish getting ready, and that's sambar. And there's rice there. So guys, this is Prabhat. Hi Prabhat.
Hi.
Harini, thank
Hi
you so much for the
again.
dinner. Please explain the...
Thanks for helping me.
Yes. And we also have another friend here who's also helping. Swati, hi.
I'm camera shy.
No, that's all right. Harini, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಡುಗೆ help ಹೇಳಿ.
Please explain.
Okay, see, so this is a South Indian tradition of eating on the banana leaf.
Yes.
There's actually an order to serve things. We usually have about 25 things in temples and other functions, but I only have a handful. So from the left to right, it goes salt, pickle,
Yes.
and then we have a couple of salads made from dal and carrot and all of that. And then we will have vegetable sort of stir fries. And then we will have just dal, which we call tove. And then on the right corner should be kheer, which
Yeah.
I will serve now. Then the main dish is rice and any sambar. And then we have the sweet as well.
Which is Obattu.
Here we have any sort of savory rice like puliogre and chicken.
Yeah.
But that is missing. Maybe next time we can have that.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this
And
dinner.
this is my first time eating this.
Yeah. This is first time of Prabhat and Swati eating the South Indian food on the banana leaf. And look at this food. It looks so delicious.